a Quiapo food trip, so let's go!
It's my first time in Quiapo and oh my, ang dami palang masasarap and affordable na food here. Kaya naman tara mga kalocals, samahan niyo ako and let's go on a food trip!
So I have here the super trending chow fan. It's only 40 pesos. Then you can add to get the Hungarian sausage. In fairness naman sa chow fan niya, it looks very, very promising. So ayan siya. Fairness. I would say for 40 pesos, it's really very sulit na kasi ang dami na talaga. You can also add extra for the Hungarian sausage para you have ulam na.
And aside from that, we also tried the famous lechon rice and of course the avocado con hielo. Let me know if you want part 2!